Hi guys, I know it's been a super long time, but I just wanted to let you know that I am back for this video. Not really sure when I'm going to post. So I was cleaning my room and I realized I had a really old craft that was sitting there. I think it's been sitting there since I first got it when I uploaded my first video. So it's been 4 years? Yeah, 4 years. Maybe even 5. So it was, the first video I ever did was the Make Your Case, and I mean, that video is kind of the only reason why I have like some publicity. I mean, I don't even have publicity. I mean, that video is like 21,000 views or something like that, and I was like, oh my god, I'm famous. But, so basically I did one and then I just left it here, and to be honest, I haven't even opened it since I did that video. So I decided I'm going to clean my room out, and I'm going to, like, either get rid of stuff, give it away, or do it. And I feel like I have, like, a special connection, so I feel like I should be doing this project. Sorry, I just got my hair done, so I'm going to be touching my hair a lot, because it's super short, and it's, like, blonde-ish, but I love it. So the first thing I see is this, and I know what this is. This is the case, okay, that I made for, and I forget. Okay, so it makes them for iPhone 4 and 4S, which I had an iPhone 4, but the time that I made this video, I had an iPhone 6, so I wasn't even able to use the case, and now I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so, I mean, it's pretty old, man. I mean, the iPhone 10 is out, and I'm making a case for an iPhone 4S. I hope to God I can find that iPhone 4S. But yes, this is just silicone. I didn't do anything. I legit just made a silicone thing. Honestly, I don't think this is supposed to be in there. Okay, well, this is the Make Your Case thing that we use. I feel so nostalgic. I feel like an 18-year-old can't feel nostalgic in 2018, but let me tell you, I feel pretty nostalgic right now. Okay, so I remember we had to put this in here. I remember that. I definitely remember that. This was just like a hard plastic case that they gave you to decorate. Same with these. They like came, because they're plastic, not silicone, but they came with it. These are the decorating, and I remember there were like gems and all type of stuff, but like this is all I have left. Oh, I thought these were stickers. They're not. I'm so upset. Another case. Purple. Okay, we're gonna be making a purple case today. This is for the iPod. This is the iPhone 5. This is the iPhone 4S. We're gonna be using this because I'm gonna try to find that iPhone for you guys. Because I want it to go on a phone, like I did the last video. Oh, these are like, little screen protectors. That's nice. Okay. Got some tweezers. And a scraper, and that is it. Wow. We're getting rid of this finally. That is so upsetting, but it's gonna be so much fun. Okay. There's no instructions at all. Okay, so we're gonna make it. So this is what I have. I don't have any instructions, so I hope it's pretty self-explanatory. So, maybe not. Okay. Okay. We're getting there. Okay, I always remember this being like the worst part of the video. So here's the middle. it had a cap on it, so I just took the cap off, and you just like, maybe it's telling me it goes the other way. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so now you just take this and it goes like this, and I just have to, I remember this being like the worst part. What? Okay, so it says like right here, let sit for 4 hours. So I'm gonna go to work and then I'm gonna come back more than 6 hours later and then we're gonna see. But I mean, it's gonna be super late then and my family's gonna be sleeping, so I don't know. But, oh my gosh, you just grew up with me. This is a purple case. I am super happy the way it turned out, I think. Yeah. I hope I grew up a little more. Maybe I'm actually looking at the camera. Maybe my camera quality is better. Actually, when I was a freshman then, I recorded with an iPad, and right now I am recording with a laptop. And to tell you, I still have my head cut off. I don't even care. We are back. So it was supposed to sit for 4 hours. It's been sitting for 6, so I just got back from work. So let's check it out. This just goes in the trash, nothing. But, okay. Okay, so I touched it right here. It is silicone, it is nice and dry. These two sides are still wet, but we are going to open it. I mean, it has been sitting for 4 years, so it might just be bad now. I mean, you never know. Okay. Yeah, that's not good. So I am back. It has been more than 24 hours. I think it's been like 48. It's been like 2 or 3 days. I'm not really sure, but I haven't touched it. It's sat in my room like this for a couple days. But yeah, the purple is everywhere, and I remember I showed you guys this. And okay, it's still wet. Good to know. I think this just might be broken. Oh, that's still wet too. Okay. It's been like 2 or 3 days, so if this is still wet, it is time to retire it. I don't remember how to do this at all. Ugh. Yeah, it's just everywhere. It's time to retire this. This was a fail, but it was a good fail. And at least I have some cute paper. Yep. Time to say goodbye. I still have this one though that we made 2 years ago. Very cute. Very, very cute.